Hey there. Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a date picker to your HTML forms with JavaScript. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to create an interactive date picker that will allow your users to input dates accurately and consistently. First, let's take a look at the HTML code. We have a div with an ID of display that will show the selected date. We then have an input field with a type of date and an ID of date input. The type equals sign date attribute in an HTML input element specifies that the input field should allow the user to select a date using a built-in calendar picker. When the user clicks on the input field, a date picker widget appears, allowing the user to choose a date easily without having to manually enter it. The selected date is then displayed in the input field in the format specified by the browser's locale settings. Using this type of input field can help ensure that the user enters a valid date in a consistent format. Next, we add some JavaScript to our code. The JavaScript code adds an event listener to the date input field and uses the change event to trigger a function that gets the selected date value and updates the text of the display div with the selected date. To break it down, when the user selects a date in the date input field, the change event is triggered, which calls the event listener function. The function retrieves the selected date value using event target value and then uses document.getElementById to select the display div and update its inner HTML property with the selected date value. That's it. With just a few lines of code, we have created a simple date picker in HTML that displays the selected date to the user. You can modify this code to suit your needs and style the HTML and CSS as per your requirements. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more web development tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.